Origen penned what is called the restoration of all things. And it is the truth that Jesus could not explain to his disciples because it's unbearable for them. It was unbearable to think that all of the disciples had forsaken their king in heaven and were cast out of heaven. But that's what the restoration of all things discusses, is the good news that Jesus brought, and that is that he came to restore heaven to its greatness, to restore all of the fallen to heaven. But that can't happen in a mere 6,000 years. It takes billions and billions of years for this restoration process to happen.